morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has transitioned into positive territory. Bitcoin has added 5% in the last 5 sessions. The CCI has shifted sharply into the negative area. The price of gold has gained 1% in the last session. The ROC shifted sharply into positive territory. The price of crude oil has added 0.9% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator transitioned into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Rising stock markets and a softer dollar provided a boost for oil prices, which climbed 1.14%, passing the $40 mark once again. The U.S. dollar fell from 2-month highs as investors moved into beaten-down sectors such as banks and travel on the heels of last week's sharp sell-off. Over $150 million of an Asian cryptocurrency exchange's funds have been compromised in a security breach.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The German retail sales will be released at 400 GMT, the UK GDP at 400 GMT, the Eurozone CPI at 700 GMT, the US GDP at 1030 GMT, the Canadian GDP at 1030 GMT, and the Japanese construction orders at 1432 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.